As for the statement of the author, that whomsoever states that Iman is speech and action, it increases and it decreases, then he is free from irja, from its beginning till its end. From its beginning and its end. So then, Shaykh al-Fawzan, he commented upon that, saying that after stating that the Murji'ah, that they are from the origins, that they are from the foundations of all of the deviated sects, that they are from one of the four foundations of the deviated sects, and that he makes, and now he makes clear the madhab of Ahlus Sunnati wal Jama'ah, that the madhab of Ahlus Sunnah is the opposite to their madhab, to their various madhabs. Because Ahlus Sunnati wal Jama'ah, meaning that they are in opposition to the madhab of the Murji'ah, that the madhab of Ahlus Sunnah is in opposition and it is in contradiction to the madhab of the Murji'ah, because Ahlus Sunnah, they hold and they believe that Iman is speech, qawlun wa amalun, it is speech and action, and it is belief, and that it increases and that it decreases, as is proven by the texts of the Quran, of the Book of Allah, and the Sunnah of Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And this is in opposition to the madhab of the Murji'ah. This is in opposition to the ideology and the doctrine of the Murji'ah. Those Murji'ah who hold the actions, they do not enter into the essence or the reality of Iman. The actions do not enter into the reality of Iman. As for Ahlus Sunnati wal Jama'ah, then Ahlus Sunnah hold that Iman or faith, it is speech, it is action, and it is belief. Speech on the tongue, actions on the limbs, and belief in the heart. It increases with obedience to Allah and it decreases with disobedience to Allah. As for the Murji'ah they hold that actions do not enter into the essence of Iman. So they do not consider actions, the outward actions, to be from Iman.